Hey DIYers, what's going on? Mike Boards with the Mike Boards channel. Thank you for watching. We're talking TVs today. We're going to show you the product that we use to remove smudges or any type of debris from the TV screen. Let's take a look. All right, DIYers, here it is. In front of us is the Miracle Wipes for electronics, and this is how it came in the packaging. And after removing it from the white shipping bag, this is what it looks like. And it consists of the Miracle Wipe container, and inside that container are 30 wet wipes, which are 1 ply, as well as the rag to wipe it dry after applying the wet wipe. And as you can see, the lower portion of the container says streak-free shine, and that's what our goal is. From here, let's go and open it. Here it is unpackaged, and as you can see, the microfiber style cloth or towel, very soft. And to the back of the container for the directions. Clean dirty surface with wipe for best results. Dry with a soft cloth. Discard wipe after use. In addition, it has the directions for dispensing, which is basically removing the top cap and removing the foil, which is the seal, and then positioning the wipes in the extraction hole here, and then pulling them out and separating the wipe from the inner wipe at a 90-degree angle. And what we find best, go ahead and close the cap, and this top portion of the wipe container, just apply some friendly pressure in, and you can create a gap between the top portion here and the cap, and just use some friendly pressure to pull this cap off. And you might need to lock the container in place and pull it. As you can see here, there is the foil. And let's go around it. We've got more here. Pull that off, and there it is. What we'll do is pull the center wipe up just a bit. Put the cap back on. And we will pull the wipe out, and at the same time we want to position it again in the extraction hole as shown there. And I'm not going to actually pull it out right now. I'm going to re-secure the cap, and it looks like Miracle Wipes has an entire family of products here for glass, leather, stainless steel, and granite and stone. Pretty neat. And again, this product specifically for electronics will cover laptop, tablet, phone, and TV screen. And in today's video, we're focusing on a Samsung TV. Let's head there now. All right, DIYers, in front of us now is a 65-inch Samsung TV. We'll reposition the camera and get started. At this point, I've got the camera repositioned, and again, the Miracle Wipe container, I'm going to open up the lid and remove 1 wipe. And make sure you secure that cap. Set that aside. And I'm actually going to fold this wipe into a smaller square as shown here. And DIYers, there is a right way to do this and there is a wrong way to do this. Do not use this wipe and wipe the entire screen all at once and then begin drying. If you do it that way, what will happen is the moisture from the cloth that applies to the TV, it will dry very fast. And by the time you get to wiping it off, since it's already dry, it's going to be hard to come off. So what I do is I start in one corner, and in a circular motion, I just go about maybe 6 to 8 inches up and 6 to 8 inches over. As you can see, it has applied the moisture, and from here, without applying any pressure, just the weight of your arm and hand basically, and in a circular motion, clean that screen. And again, by doing that this way, it alleviates any of that moisture from drying and creating additional smudges. You do not want that. And after cleaning that about 6 to 8 inches, I'll continue to move over, and I'll basically overlap. And here's a smudge right there. And back to the microfiber cloth. And again, don't apply too much pressure. You will break the screen or panel. That would not be good. You'll have one heck of a clean screen, but you'll have a broken panel. What's the point of that? And using this method, I will continue cleaning the entire 65-inch screen. Taking a step back, and DIYers, we are finished with cleaning the entire screen, and down below in the comment section as well as the description section are links to purchase this product. From here, we hope this helps. Do us a favor. Below the video, you will see that thumbs up icon. Click on that, like the video, subscribe to the channel. Definitely ring your YouTube bell. That would be very helpful to us. We'd really appreciate it. Thanks again for watching.